What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I didn't really have nowhere to start this video, so I thought I'd just put you guys right here with the reef tank in the background. Everything is just starting to open up, as you can see, so it's not fully open, but that's besides the point of today's video. So today's video is actually how would I put it, it's actually a video I've been wanting to do, or not a video but a mod I've been wanting to do to the car, enhancement mod. If you guys do remember, I did install some Raxium Gen 5 taillights on the Mustang, and today we're gonna go and work on the front of the car. So voila, this is what it is we got today. You guys can see a little hint, auto lamps, but this is what we got some auto lamps. Before I go ahead and unbox it, I do want to say it was kind of hard choosing which headlights I wanted to go with. So there's two headlights I wanted to choose between. There is a DRL Raxium headlights, which is it's like the S550 headlights, which has like the three lines and the little and the projector headlights on the side. And then we have these, which are the 2010 style Raxium headlights. I was gonna say taillights, but it was hard. I was like really trying to see which one I should get. What should I get, the DRL or should I DRL, or should I get the 2010 style? And here's the thing. For the DRL, I really love the fact that it had the three lines. Like I felt like it made the car look aggressive. I just didn't like the fact that the projector headlight was a amber cutter. I feel like they should have really made it like a LED, or what's the other word, HV, I don't know, the other bright white, the other bright LEDs. But I don't know why they went and put an amber bulb in there, but I don't know, sometimes they try to save money. Then the second one was the 2010 style headlights. So the 2010 style headlights, I love those because it had the halo ring around it, which I really love. But I don't know, man, I just love the halo ring on it. I wish that they would have made the ring not made, but put the ring on the DRL. Those, I feel like that would look cool, you know, like the three lines with the halo ring. But they didn't. But that's enough talking for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these headlights. I don't have my tripod, it's actually in my car, so I think I'm just gonna do like a POV unboxing. So yeah. All right, guys, so here we have the box. I'm not gonna show this side because it shows my address. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it. I was really trying to open it from the side without getting my finger in the shot, but I tried to make a cinematic view, but it did not work, so whatever. Well, bam, I can't reach over there. So here we have it, guys. As you can see, I did go ahead and purchase it from American Muscle. So these headlights were $249.99. With tax and everything, it came out to $289. Free shipping, of course, because American Muscle does free shipping when you spend $50 or more on items. And the DRL, even though they were really nice because of the three lines that has like towards the inside of the I guess you could say the bumper, those are kind of pricey. I think they were like $300 and something around I know 300 something around there. But I did buy these from American Muscle. I am not sponsored, but American Muscle, if you guys watch this video and you guys want to sponsor me, you know, hit me up. I don't buy it. So like I said, you want to sponsor me, I really appreciate it. You know what to do. Anyways, let's get back into the unboxing. And voila, here we have the box. I love the box, or is that what it's called? The packaging, I meant to say. Like, yeah, I feel like it looks slick because it's all black with just like a silver writing, and it just makes it look slick, like I said. Let's go ahead and open the main thing. Now for this one, I'm gonna be careful because I don't want to accidentally like cut into the, or hit the headlights, I mean. Just lightly. And voila. Just take these pieces off. Oh my god, there's more boxes in here. We got both of them out. This one was a little bit more trickier to get out, but we got it done. This is the right side, this is the left side. Let's open it, and voila. at this. Look at this beauty. All right, so from the box we do get some manuals that come, not manual, is it manual? Instructions that come in the box, which is gonna be helpful because I will be installing this on my own. I probably will get a little bit of help, but for the most part, it's gonna be on me. This is, wait, do I have to put seed in? Hold up. So this is saying it will be moisture. Where's the part that was reading? Right here, like, after newly installed lamp turned on for the first time, there might be moisture on the, it's kind of hard reading, I'm reading from the from the screen. Internal side of the lens for 1 to 3 days, depending on the owner's location. I don't think I should have any problems with that. I already live in Cali and it's like hot. Not really that hot right now, but you guys get it. All right, take this part off. Oh, I don't want to break this. Let me get my other hand to take. Actually, I could take it all with one. No, I can't. Give me a sec. Wow, look at you. Damn, you could really see my reflection there. Look at this. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. Ooh. And you can turn it around so you guys can see. Alright, put it on the box. So this is the connections. I see. Where does this go? Oh, this is to line up the. Alright, so this right here is to line up when you put the headlights. They might not be lined up, so the light might be going, not might be, but it will be aiming down or high. So this is to adjust it. I don't know what this screw here is for. I don't know if I have to take it off, but I'll see when I install it. Then we do have a bleeder hole, I guess, so if there is some condensation or moisture that builds in there, it will come off. And here we have the connect, plug and play for the, I forgot what's called, for the main light. Then we have these 2 wires right here, which does it come, hopefully it comes with some splice connectors. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to go buy some. But so here we have the headlights. I've seen some people put like some brighter lights on here, which I don't think I'm gonna do. There's really no reason for me to do that right now. And then some people do change these amber. They're not really amber, they're more of an orange color, but they do change it with some LEDs, which I'm not gonna do either. I like the orange color more, so I'm gonna leave these like that. Alright guys, so right now I'm actually gonna go ahead and open the other box just to make sure that everything is good and nothing is damaged. But for the installation, I'm gonna be going to my cousin's house because one, I'm pretty sure I have the tools, but it's gonna be more of a hassle for me to do it here because I live in an apartment and the manager's kind of strict when it comes to working on cars. So I'm gonna go to my cousin's house to do that, and I'll catch you guys over there. Here we are. I'm not gonna show how to take off the bumper because there's a lot of videos out there to do it, and then mine doesn't have the wheel well either, so there's no, like, I don't have to take off these screws right here, even though one is missing here. So I am not going to record how to take it off. I will just do a time lapse of me doing it. Hopefully my portable will make it. It's like at 2 right now. Oh man, I'm out of breath. And as you guys can see, there is a dent right here, which I was always wondering how did that happen. And my guess is that this is a previous owner was probably driving it, and there was like those, you guys know those cement poles, like yellow poles that are in front of like stores and stuff. So my guess is that the previous owner was reversing and he didn't see that pole and it scratched and dented it. The only reason why I say that is because you can see the mark goes this way, and also if we go over to this side, you can see that the bumper is being held by a screw. So that's why I feel like that's what happened. And I also got to do these side markers, but I can't do it right now because you guys can see I focus the wire right there for the side markers. Doesn't even have the bolt socket or anything like that, so I can't do those. I have to buy the actual sockets first in order to do that. But I'm gonna look too close to the camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys aside and just record a time lapse, and I hope you guys enjoy. Real quick before the time lapse starts, or before it keeps going, I do want to say that for those of you guys that do have the wheel wells, you're gonna have to undo these screws right here as well as this one from both sides, and you're gonna have to take the radiator cover off, which mine doesn't have the clips, but yours does. You're gonna have to take those off. I could just already lift mine up. And then we have this one and one on the other side, which you just lift. Once you take it off, you just lift it over this little clip and it should come out right out. Really easy. So back to the time lapse. So finally got the bumper off. It wasn't hard nor was it easy. It was just annoying because there's like no limited space to work with. But now let's get the headlights in and I'll come back to you guys once it's fully installed. Alright guys, so here we have the finished product. You guys can see it looks really good. Those fog lights, I didn't even tell you guys, but those fog lights were already on the car, but for some reason it wouldn't like turn on whenever I would turn on the what you call it, the lights. They were connecting and everything, but I don't know, I guess the fog lights aren't getting any power. So we connected, or we spliced the wire for the fog light onto the parking light, so that way it only turns on when it has a halo ring. Once we turn on the running lights, they turn off and it's just the halo rings, or not I think the halo rings and the main light. But it looks really good. As you guys can see, I still have to align the light to make it even, and which I won't do or show you guys, or probably will, but we'll see. As you guys can see, it looks really good. Won't be doing a cinematic shot for it. I won't be doing a cinematic shot for it, but I'll just like record, like show you guys how it looks. All right, this is how it looks when the lights are on. Oh, actually it does stay on. I was wrong. You guys can see the middle one is lit up now, right there. It's not just a halo rings. I still need to adjust it. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually end the video. Yeah, there you go. You guys can see me good. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. We're at 204 subscribers as of right now, and I want to thank everybody who have subscribed. All right, like I said, I really appreciate it. And I'm not that good with this kind of talk, but I really appreciate it. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys have a good day as well, and a good following day. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.